Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of synchronizing Google Workspace with Outlook, a powerful integration that can significantly enhance your productivity by streamlining your workflow. If you're looking to manage your emails, calendar events, and other essential data across both platforms seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, and once you familiarize yourself with the steps, it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes to complete. Let's dive right in. To get started, let's first navigate to Google Workspace. Here comes an interesting part. Look for and click on Sync.blue, a tool specifically designed to help sync your Google Workspace data with other services, including Outlook. If Sync.blue isn't installed yet, don't worry. It's available for easy installation from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Let's move to the exciting phase of the process. Head over to the Sync.blue website and click on Try for Free. This step initiates your journey towards syncing Google Workspace with Outlook effectively. Once you're on the platform, you'll find an option to Create Connection. This is where the integration truly begins. Click on Create Connection to proceed. You'll need to select your source, which in this case is Google Workspace. Make sure to select it and then confirm your choice by clicking on Google Workspace once more. The next step involves adding the second connection, which is Outlook. Locating and selecting Outlook is straightforward. Once you've done this, you are just a few steps away from connecting the two services. Finally, proceed to connect the two platforms to enable synchronization. This last step bridges Google Workspace and Outlook, allowing for a seamless flow of emails, calendar events, and other selected data between the two, creating a unified and organized workflow. Remember, ensuring you're logged into the right accounts and following the prompts accurately is key to a smooth and successful sync process. And there you have it, easy as pie, right? By following these comprehensive steps, you've now equipped yourself with the ability to sync Google Workspace with Outlook efficiently. This simple yet powerful integration is designed to bolster your productivity by harmonizing your digital platforms. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Here's to a more organized and efficient workflow.